Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Pull the tab on the housing cover up and slide the housing cover off. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Insert your new AQ1140C filter into the housing. Installation may be easier if you pinch the sides down. The corners of the filter need to be pressed down in order to install the filter in the housing. Reinstall the housing cover. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.